Hi, everyone. Welcome to Adam Stock Talk. Today is March 21st, 2025. It's Friday. Today, Dow Jones was increased by 0.08%. NASDAQ goes up 0.52%. S&P 500 goes up 0.08%. And the Russell 2000 is down 0.56%. Today, the leading sector is communication service, going up 1%, consumer discretional, going up 0.63%, and the lagging sectors are materials and real estate. For the week, the Dow Jones industry going up 1.2%, NASDAQ going up 0.17%, S&P 500 going up 0.51%, and the Russell 2000 going up 0.63%. So overall, I think that the week is not a huge gain. It's pretty much in adjustment from the last week's the market down situation. So it's kind of like stabilizing. Let's take a look at the SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF. I think that's good from a trading standpoint. We can look at the longer chart first. From this monthly chart, you can see that actually we just hit the 10 days line. So if you're comparing that to the about 2021 over there, so this red bar and this red bar have some similarity, but I would say this is probably more like a correction instead of really we are going to get into the bear market. If we look at the 4 years weekly chart, we will see that actually it's touching the 60-day moving average. This is actually the second time after we get out of the last bear market. This is the second time we touch this 60-day moving average. So it could be a good opportunity for us to buy some stocks here if this is only a correction. Now, if we look at the daily chart, then looks like we have in adjustment here. If we look at this range, this small range, now we need to be careful because today looks like we open low and end up high, but the volume actually is increased. And on the MACD, we see it haven't have any like golden cross yet, but on the RSI it has a dead cross. So it could be very tricky because it's already dipped through this box. So we need to pay very close attention to next Monday or Tuesday, see if it's can go back to this box. If not, then we may get a second dip or second leg down. So this is if we are doing like short-term tradings, we need to pay close attention to this situation. Now let's talk about Tesla stock. I would like you guys to really pay attention to the recent development on the Tesla, because when it's hit in the low in last Tuesday, then it keep on going up for the past 3 days. There's a couple of catalysts here. First is the China's BYD. They have developed this 5 minutes fast charging technology. This make the electrical car, the charging time is almost the same as refill the gas for the gasoline cars. I think this is a milestone for the electrical car development. The second catalyst is that Tesla wins the California the right permit. That news is huge because it's set up the potential for robotaxi to be rolled out in some of the states. And the third is that Musk have told the investors and their employees to hold to the Tesla stock amid this 50% this stock price plunge. You know what? It has been 13 straight sessions through Thursday that the retail investors have pumped $8 billion into the stock. That is the biggest inflow over into the Tesla stock since 2015. Now, let's take a look at the technical chart. This is the daily chart for the Tesla. If you look at the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, Tesla was adjusting in this box. So today, the volume was increased. And also we had the golden cross actually a few days ago on the RSI. And we have a golden cross here on the Wednesday. Yeah, so I think we really need to pay attention to is the next Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, see if the stock price can increase of this box. If it can be standing on there for 3 days, then I would say it's effective, which I call it effective broke through, and that's an indication that we should buy. Overall, for SPY ETF wise, we need to pay close attention to the first 3 trading days next week to see if it can hold on to 561. If it breaks down through 561, then for short term, I think I will get out. For Tesla, we need to watch out is that for the next 3 trading days, if it can effectively break through 251 upwards. If it did that, then I will buy or add more position to this stock. Since the last information data is good, the consumer confidence and the unemployment data is not really that bad. There's no fundamental reasons why we are thinking we are heading into a bear market. Trump said it again that April 2nd will be a liberation day, meaning that U.S. will start to collect the tariff from the countries all over the world. I'm not sure about the long-term impact, but I'm thinking that in the near term, it will eliminate a lot of uncertainty from the market and probably will causing a truly rebound for the market on April the 2nd. Okay, that's all for today. Hopefully you like it, and please give me a thumb up and subscribe it, and also share with your friends. Thank you, and have a good night.